Crude oil WTI failed to stay above 82.6 levels and given a good drop and went till towards 80.5, and as I've told that many times that till 79.4 do not consider this as bearish and it can bounce back precisely now at 81.2. Likewise, my favorite NG has given a good rise and now trading above 2.4 levels. So what to expect today? Trading crude oil and LNG, how can we benefit, how can we profit, which position you should take, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update will be released before the US session today itself. Do watch it also. Let's start. First we'll look into US crude WTI followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. And uh, now look at the hourly charts for oil here. See the clear cut resistance. Now you can find out 81.8, and these levels we had told, I had discussed this yesterday also, that below 81.8 we are going to look at good drop, and precisely it has seen a very good drop below 81.8 levels. Now see 80.5, 80.4 is the next support levels, and then 79.8. Right now what it has done, see the drop there, the recovery here, it is trying to retrace, but this is still in the bearish channel. It is trying to create a bearish channel of its own. 81.5 is the level beyond which only further bullishness can be seen, which might take it for 81.8, and I will wait for it to break past 82 in order to confirm a reversal, and then 82.6. Stochastic is seen rising. MACD trying to converge crossover for a buy entry. RSI is also come out of the oversold zone on the early charts. Now look at 2 hour. On the 2-hour chart, see here the drop, retracement, retracement, and then this rise. So this is a retracement channel it is trying to create. The highs can be at around 81.4, 81.6 zone. Very important support zone, resistance zone there, and specifically till 82 every 20 cents you have to be watchful. So yes, it is trying to retrace a little. Also, if you look at the stochastic is at bottom here. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is also trading at bottom, trying to recover. And if you look at 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, see now the bullishness here and here is diminished with the every candle. It is trying to you can say the bullishness getting diminished here. So be watchful there. The stochastic oversold. The MACD bearish, trying to converge. RSI is flat here. And if you look at 4-hour chart, now see on the 4-hour charts, 1.2 observe, see the support there at 79.8 and 79.4 is very strong. So yes, once it stays below 80.4, 80.5 zone today, you can stay short, and we can expect 79.8, 79.5 and then 79 levels. So till it stays above 80.5, we have to be watchful today. Only below 80.5, I will recommend you to sell there. At the same time, remember one more fact, that it is looking forward to retrace, and yes, I will recommend you to buy at 81.5. So this zone between 80.5 and 81.5, this complete $1 levels, you need to be extremely cautious. Even if it tries to retrace above 81.5, the next resistance at 81.8, 82 and 82.2, these two levels, and then 82.6 till 82.6, it has got extreme resistances there on the ups. Now also, if you look at the 4-hour charts movement, see here, now the highs are slightly above 82, and yes, if you are taking a buy entry at 81.5, we have to be extremely cautious till it stays below 82.6 there. See the stochastic at bottom, MACD divergent bearish, RSI is almost at bottom here. And if you look at the daily charts, now interestingly on the daily charts, a couple of rise candles, then this bearish move, and yes, wait for it to break past 82.6, that will invite another round of rally there. And right now it is trying to retrace. This candle is yet to close, and the new candle is yet to start. Possibly when the next candle start on this chart, and if it stays below 80.5, we may see 79.8, 79.4, and in fact further drop can be seen if it is continues to stay below 79.8 levels. The stochastic was overbought, it is looking down. The MACD is green, trying to converge here, crossover for a sell. RSI was also at the highs and looking down now. So for the day in between 80.5 and 81.5, for this $1, do not take any position. On the downside till 79.4 levels, you have to be watchful. In fact, till 79, because below that it is going to bridge the gap for 76. So stay cautious for 79 levels. On the upside, we have to be careful till 82.6, because beyond that it is going to fly high. So see, we have to take the trades as per the levels and not wait for our bias, and not wait for any indices or a commodity to behave as per our bias. So what you think that, okay, I think it is going to rise, do not wait for that it is going to rise. And what you think, market, for market it doesn't matter what you think, as simple as this. It is only you are satisfying your ego with that, but do not do that, just stick to the levels. Now let's have a look at net gas. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 1st of May. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, first, let's have a look at, and also you can be part of my signals group. Now, look at the hourly charts. On the hourly chart for net gas, see the consolidation, the rise, the consolidation, and now again looking forward to a breakout. Right now, it is uh, willing to drop a bit, but see this, it is still very much in this zone. So yes, once you see it trading about 2.42, stay long. The target is still towards 2.5. Remember, once it stays about 2.42, stay long, and net gas is going to fly high. That is the level beyond which one can stay long. Now see, higher lows are consistently seen here, and see till 2.38 2.36 levels I'll be remaining cautious and watchful. Only below 2.36 there is going to be further. But those who want to take a entry, early entry, you can wait for 2.38 to be breached. Below that only you can take a sell entry and wait for 2.36. And if it breaks below 2.36, then a further bearishness can be seen, else possibly it can bounce back again. See, the stochastic is looking down, trying to trade bearish. Look at MACD, this is crossed over, this is looking divergent, this is looking bearish, and this crossover is happening at a slightly higher level, so it can try to retrace a little on the downside. RSI is also overbought, and hence a little drop can be seen. Now look at 2 hour. On the 2 hour chart, see the support there is seen at 2.37 levels. With that it is trying to rise, but the flat top is something which is making me cautious. Yes, it can retrace a little, and till 2.36 we have to be watchful there. The stochastic on the 2 hour charts is consistently overbought. It is trying to cool down a bit. MACD is bullish, trying to converge here, and the RSI is also overbought. So see, overbought means there could be slight retracement which can be expected. Now look at 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour charts, look at the previous candles. The body size is getting smaller. Higher highs are done. Despite higher highs, the body size is getting smaller. This is a reversal sign here, and hence from here it can try to drop a bit here. So you can sell at 2.39, but then 2.38 2.36, very strong support till 2.36 levels, just 1 cent. 2.36 2.37 2.38, there are little more supports, very strong supports at 2.36 levels. Only below 2.36 further bearishness can be seen, then we can expect 2.32 and below levels. Now 2.32 is the strongest support on the downside. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is bullish and trying to converge a bit. RSI is trading overbought here. So yes, it is slightly overbought on the near term time frames. Look at 4 hour chart. Now on the 4 hour charts, to see higher highs and wait for it to break past 2.39 2.38 zone. I think below that further bearishness can be expected. The stochastic trading overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI also trading overbought. Now look at the daily chart. See, on the daily chart, this is the first big bullish candle. It traded outside Bollinger Bands. There is a possibility of the second candle. It is now, so the 20 period moving averages have started to look upwards, and this is a bullish sign. The support levels are now at 2.28 2.25 levels. The stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is divergent and bullish. It is looking upwards. The RSI is also trying to show a little strength. So remember, till 2.32 we can re-enter a buy entry again for net gas. Remember, if you see it dropping till 2.32, that should be a good entry for you to buy. But then first you have to enjoy the sell entries, and you can sell here at 2.39. Be very cautious. As I said, lower the levels, it is good entry for you to buy. So till 2.32 you have to trail your stop losses with just 1 cent movement, and keep booking, keep re-entering, keep booking, keep re-entering. That is how you can make profit there. On the upside beyond 2.42, certainly you can stay long, and then we will be looking forward to 2.45 2.5 levels as the next targets. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. You can also join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch started on 1st of May, and also you can be part of my signals group. Remember, equip yourself with the right tools, techniques and strategy. First, invest in your learning, and that is why join the mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.